You know, when I put my gloves, something's about to happen. I'm about to show you something again. Probably you never seen it. Alright, check this out again. So this is the iPad the customer brought. Okay, the screen is cracked. We're gonna fix the screen. Let's take this case. Like, I couldn't even touch with my finger. Look at this. Oh, see, like it sticks on it. And open this. Oh, this is the worst part. How gross is this? If I can open, oh my god, look at that case. Can you see this? And look at on the screen. Probably they never take the iPad from the case. Look, I cannot even take this out. Oh my god, look at this. How disgusting is this? See that? I don't even know what that is. Look, everywhere. Everywhere. We're gonna deep clean this housing and we're gonna fix the screen on this. And we might clean the case as well. The case is broken too, but let's see. Can you guess their age by looking at this? Look at my gloves already. I didn't even start it yet. Do you see those hair? Like all this DNA? See those, right? Disgusting. Oh my gosh. What's that? Look at my razor. The color changed already. Sticks to my blouse. Ew. Get this charging port. I don't know how they were able to charge this iPad. Look, all the hair. See those hairs? All of this DNA. Same thing on the side. This is the best part. What will this be? What do you guys think? Like, you cannot even press the buttons. Because all this cross thing on there. And here, power button. Would you take your iPad to repair in this condition if that was you? Or would you clean it? And look at that screen. Probably this iPad never been out from the case since they bought it. This is one of the latest model and already in this condition. So many DNAs. Time to fix screen. God damn it. Take out my glasses. We're going to disconnect the battery first. We're gonna clean the frame from broken screens. Let's brush it. We are going to transfer old home button to new screen. Little makeup too. Time to clean this gross case. See the hair? What is this? This one is real gross. Like really. the moment you all have been waiting. Your iPad is ready, search. There's the screen. Look at this frame. Can I get a wow? How you guys like this? Of course you want to see the case too, right? There's the port. Clean, nice. And look at this case. From that gross to this. And look at this. Looks clean now, right? That's how you're supposed to be. You need to clean every month, at least once. At least. Look at that. Look at this.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back.